What if I told you there are Harley-Davidsons on Facebook Marketplace right now for prices that might shock you? From classic touring machines to true vintage legends, today we're counting down 10 Harley deals that seriously caught my attention. Let's jump right in. Number 1. 2003 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Classic, $4,800. Seller location, Villa Park, Illinois. This 2003 Electra Glide Classic shows 51,000 miles and is described as starting right up and running strong. The seller emphasizes that it's in good condition and is offering a limited time price of $4,800 for the next 2 weeks, adding a sense of urgency to the deal. For a full-dress touring Harley in running condition, that price point immediately grabbed attention. The Electra Glide Classic from this era is known for its comfortable long-haul capability, factory hard bags, and that unmistakable Harley touring presence. With the proven twin-cam platform and classic styling, it represents a practical entry point into heavyweight touring without stepping into five-figure territory. For riders looking to get into cross-country comfort on a budget, this could be a very compelling option. Number 2. 1947 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead, $40,000. Location, Lake City, Florida. A true piece of American motorcycling history, this 1947 Knucklehead has been restored and is said to run and ride great, especially considering its age. With 111,000 miles listed, it reflects a machine that has lived a full life, yet continues to carry the legacy of one of Harley-Davidson's most iconic engines. The Knucklehead motor, produced from 1936 to 1947, marked a turning point in Harley's engineering history. Owning one isn't just about riding, it's about preserving a chapter of motorcycling heritage. At $40,000, this bike is clearly positioned for collectors or serious enthusiasts who understand the rarity and historical significance behind the name. This isn't just transportation, it's rolling history. Number 3. 2000 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, $4,500. Location, Inverness, Florida. With just 16,800 miles, this 2000 Electra Glide stands out immediately due to its relatively low mileage. The seller describes it as being in excellent condition, newly serviced and ready to ride, with a firm price of $4,500. For a touring bike that's over 2 decades old, mileage this low is uncommon. Electra Glides are purpose-built for highway miles, offering stability, wind protection, and all-day comfort. Finding one at this price point, freshly serviced and reportedly in excellent shape, makes it particularly attractive for riders who want a dependable touring platform without overspending. For someone looking to step into the touring world affordably, this listing checks several important boxes. Number 4. 1996 Harley-Davidson Dyna Wide Glide, $5,500. Seller location, Deltona, Florida. This 2-owner Dyna Wide Glide is powered by the legendary 80-inch Evolution engine and comes equipped with a Thunderheader full exhaust and an SNS cam upgrade. With 26,000 miles, brand new tires, and a new seat, the seller claims the bike needs nothing and runs and sounds great. The Dyna Wide Glide is known for its stretched-out front end and classic chopper-inspired stance straight from the factory. Combined with performance-oriented upgrades, this example offers both visual attitude and enhanced engine character. For buyers seeking a cruiser with personality, strong Evo reliability, and tasteful modifications already installed, this bike presents a solid middle ground option in the Harley lineup. Number 5. 2000 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy, $5,500. Seller location, Grass Valley, California. With only 13,982 miles, this carbureted Fat Boy has reportedly been meticulously maintained and always garage kept. It features a Corbin dual seat, sissy bar, upgraded pegs, chrome accents, a 2-in-1 exhaust, and a Daymaker headlight. The sale also includes multiple extras such as additional seats, windshields, and leather luggage. The Fat Boy is one of Harley's most recognizable Softail models, known for its solid disc wheels and muscular stance. A carbureted example with low miles appeals to riders who prefer a more traditional mechanical feel over modern fuel injection. Considering the included accessories and low mileage, this listing offers substantial value for someone wanting a classic cruiser with tasteful upgrades already in place. Number 6. 1986 Harley-Davidson FXR, $7,000. Seller location, Yucaipa, California. This 1986 FXRS shows 35,000 miles and comes with a variety of performance and handling upgrades, including a Mikuni 42 carburetor, TBR 2-in-1 exhaust, aftermarket cam, dual disc brake conversion, and black mag wheels. The seller states the bike runs strong and healthy, with title in hand. The FXR platform has earned a loyal following due to its frame design and superior handling characteristics compared to many other Harleys of its era. Often considered a hidden gem in the Harley world, a well-modified FXR like this can serve as both a collectible and a performance-oriented cruiser. For enthusiasts who appreciate classic Harley engineering with upgraded components, this bike offers serious potential. Number 7. 2001 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy, $6,500. Seller location, Vacaville, California. This 2001 Fat Boy has just 11,000 miles and is described as being in like-new condition. It features new T-bars, grips, and controls, with maintenance reportedly performed every 3 months. The price has been reduced from $7,000 to $6,500, and the seller is open to reasonable offers. Low-mileage Softails from this era are becoming increasingly desirable, especially when properly maintained. With a clean title and light cosmetic upgrades, this Fat Boy blends originality with subtle personalization. For enthusiasts who appreciate classic Harley engineering with upgraded components, this bike offers serious potential. Number 8. 2009 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, $5,000. Location, Las Vegas, Nevada. This 2009 Electra Glide shows 80,000 miles and features a street glide-style delete kit along with upgraded aftermarket audio. While the mileage reflects a bike that has been ridden extensively, touring Harleys are built for exactly that purpose: long highway miles. At $5,000, this represents a newer generation touring platform compared to early 2000s models in similar price ranges. For someone prioritizing value and modern touring comfort over ultra-low mileage, this could be a smart buy. It's a reminder that condition and maintenance history often matter more than the number on the odometer. Number 9. 2004 Harley-Davidson Softail, $12,000. Seller location, Lodi, California. With only 11,725 miles, this Softail has been freshly detailed and comes heavily customized. It features 16-inch ape hangers, a 21-inch front wheel with matching rotor, lowered suspension front and rear, and extensive chrome upgrades. The seller even includes additional items like helmets and a battery tender for the right price. This bike clearly targets buyers who want a show-ready cruiser without having to invest in further modifications. The combination of low mileage and visual customization places it in a higher price bracket compared to more stock examples. For someone seeking standout style with minimal additional work required, this Softail delivers strong curb appeal. Number 10. 1997 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, $7,500. Seller location, United States. This former Highway Patrol Electra Glide features an SNS 111-inch drivetrain with under 17,000 miles on the engine, while the chassis shows 63,000 miles. It also includes brand new fat spoke wheels, white wall tires, and an air ride suspension system. The seller notes it needs a battery and fluids to be road-ready. The upgraded SNS drivetrain significantly enhances performance over stock configurations, giving this touring bike a more aggressive power profile. Combined with the classic police bike heritage and fresh suspension upgrades, this listing blends performance, presence, and personality. For buyers interested in a unique touring Harley with enhanced power, this one stands out from typical stock examples.
Jump started her once.
So, which one would you take home? The budget touring bike or the vintage classic? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy finding hidden motorcycle deals like these, hit that like button and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.